In this video, we will be discussing the role of diet on brain function, learning, and memory. Our brains make up only about 2% of our body weight, but consume as much as 20% of our daily energy intake. This large expenditure of energy is used to fuel brain cells that maintain bodily functions and engage in cognitive tasks. Certain specific nutrients are essential for maintaining energy levels in the brain and/or serve as the building blocks for essential components of the brain such as proteins and neurotransmitters. The fuel for brain cells comes in the form of glucose, which serves through a process called glycolysis to generate adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the basic energy unit of the cell. The human body stores glucose in the liver and in skeletal muscles in the form of glycogen, but the store of energy is limited. It is necessary to consume nutrient-dense foods throughout the day in order to maintain energy levels and optimize brain function. Neurons are living cells with a metabolism, and they need glucose in order to function. The image on the right side of the screen is the molecular structure of glucose, the primary energy source for the brain. Neurons run on glucose, but they cannot store it. They therefore require a constant supply from the bloodstream to provide the necessary fuel. As stated previously, the body can store glucose, but those stores are quickly depleted throughout the day, especially in active people. A balanced diet and regular food consumption through the day provides the necessary glucose to maintain optimal brain function. Like an expensive car, your brain functions best when it gets only premium fuel. A lack of caloric intake or a poor diet can result in poor brain function. Maintaining a healthy diet that contains appropriate levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is vital to optimizing brain function, health, and well-being. Not only does a healthy diet provide high-quality sources of energy to fuel the brain, a diet rich in antioxidants serves to protect the brain from harmful free radical oxygen species, which can damage DNA, the genetic code that underlies the creation of all of our cells. Energy metabolism generates these free radicals as waste products due to our utilization of oxygen. Antioxidants serve to eliminate these free radicals, protecting the brain and all other cells in the body. Research indicates that a diet high in added sugar reduces the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Neurotrophic meaning to make the brain grow. Without BDNF, the brain cannot properly form new neural connections, as this process involves the growth and formation of new physical connections between brain cells. Therefore, a diet that is high in added sugar inhibits new learning and memory formation. In addition, there have been multiple studies that have found a correlation between a diet high in fats and refined sugars and impaired brain function. Further, an unhealthy diet can worsen the symptoms of mood disorders such as depression. Fast food equals a slow brain. Keeping healthy snacks like fruit or nuts on hand is a far better way to keep your energy up through the day. In recent years, a large body of research has shown connections between what we eat and our physical, mental, and emotional health. These findings include the benefits of the following foods in boosting learning and memory: green vegetables, fatty fish, eggs, berries, tea and coffee, walnuts and almonds, dark chocolate, and olive oil. Many of these foods are high in healthy fats and antioxidants. According to the Franklin Institute, sleep deprivation causes the body to be less efficient in its ability to use food by 1/3. In addition, the body's ability to make insulin and extract energy from glucose becomes quite poor. Because of the inefficiency in glucose absorption and reduced executive functioning associated with sleep deprivation, you are more likely to overeat and eat poorly when tired. For learners, this research delivers three major conclusions. 1. Learners need to eat a healthy diet to maximize their brain's ability to learn. 2. Learners need to eat before learning to supply the brain with the energy it needs to learn effectively. 3. Learners need to get adequate sleep so the brain can efficiently use the glucose produced by a healthy diet. We hope you have found this information helpful. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. For additional details regarding the services we offer, please explore our website at www.learnercenteredtutoring.com. You can reach us via email at admin@learnercenteredtutoring.com or by phone at 231-466-0715. Book your complimentary consultation today.